Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. Today I want to show you one of the products we are selling on the website as well, www.k1repaircenter.com. Before you spend a lot of money for the microscope light, you should have a look into it, because I have a look when I'll show you in a second. The microscope I'm using, sometimes I need a more light when I'm soldering or do some work on the main board. So we got that one, it's reasonable price. This come with a USB micro connection cable. It's not interested. This is what I want to say. This is the reasonable price. Honestly, you don't pay like a 50-60 pound that you know yourself is a microscope light or expensive. But this is actually designed for some of the microscope, USB microscope that you can push that one in. But I find this one is absolutely more better to use, because example, now you got the this is the metal plate, but I put some soldering when a hot air gun use it. You can see you can slide this one there and hold it for you in a position. This is one good point of that one that you can use. Or if you want to look on the microscope, have you got the board? Yeah. For example, you got the main board. You can slide that one in and hold it in the position if you want to. What I personally have done, you can see here is a flat. I have put M3 double-sided sticker here. Of course, you can adjust the light as well, up and down. Yes. So what I have done, let me get that one down. So what I have done, you can see here, I have used a double-sided sticker. Go the cable on the top there for the power. Double-sided sticker I have done to my microscope, and I got extra light when I want to use for. Alright, this is the idea actually that you can use as well. This is the double side. It needs to be strong, because when I use it, moving that one round, and it's not in my way. If I want to adjust it up and down the microscope, it's not doing it anyway in my way, is it? And it can absolutely point the light where I want to, and it's work 100%. Just was a quick short video to save you hopefully some money. However, if in case you are interested in that one, what I say, you're welcome to go to our website www.k1repaircenter.com. I have lost the cable. You will get that one with a 2 LED light and the USB micro USB cable, and this is the back how it looks like. Question, drop me email. Hope this video helped you to save some money. Help, comment, and hopefully see you in next video. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.